Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 9th of July. The euro dropped to a two-year low, 122.29 from 124.01 against the US dollar as uncertainty in the market grows. World equities turned negative following poor job figures from the US and deepening worries over China's cooling inflation. Risk aversion dominates the market as investors fear about a global economic slowdown ahead of China's gross domestic product figures on Friday, which is expected to be the worst in 3 years. Today, focus turns to the Eurozone finance chiefs as they meet today to discuss the Eurozone problems, but little is expected to emerge from the meeting. The US dollar strengthened as heightened risk aversion in the market spurred a higher demand for the safe haven currency. Friday's non-farm payroll data from the US added further on uncertainty as new jobs in the US were less than expected in June, raising expectations that the Federal Reserve may launch a third round of quantitative easing. NFP reported that employers created 80,000 new jobs last month, while 90,000 were expected. Unemployment rates remained at the same at 8.2%. The US ISM Manufacturing Index also disappointed investors after an unexpected dip into contraction at 49.7 last month versus the safe haven Japanese yen. The greenback fell to 79.42 from 80.01. The Australian dollar slid against the greenback, falling to 101.75 from 102.88, weighed by poor US job figures. The Aussie was further under pressure after Chinese data showed the country's annual inflation fell to 2.2% last month, down from May's 3%, raising speculation that Beijing may need to ease its monetary policy further to boost economic activity. China is Australia's biggest trade partner, and any signs of economic slowdown in China weigh on the Aussie. Attention now shifts to this week's gross domestic product from China. The euro-dollar pivot points at 123.65 with a preference to enter into short positions at 123.65. The dollar-yen pivot points at 79.80 with a preference to enter into short positions at 79.80. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 102.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 102.40. The sterling dollar pivot points at 155.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 155.50. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 101.55 with a preference to enter into long positions at 101.55.